Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. Let's see who we do a review for. It's kind of a poofy bag, so we'll see what's in here. Give me a second. Get rid of the bag. All right. So this bag comes from DIYDigitalArt. And the first thing I have is this lovely pincushion. It was $4.25. So I wanted to see what it would look like. And yeah. And it just, maybe, can we get that lucky? Well, it does. Yay. I was hoping I wouldn't have to cut it because you know how these packages are. Oh my goodness, no. So isn't that cute? And it comes, I think, in 3 different colors, if I'm not mistaken. Has a little jewel there. And it's all been mooshed up, so it's going to need time to relax. Oh, look. And it opens. You can put your orts in it, you know, while you're stitching. And it just slips back in. Oops, there's a little dent there, but it's toward the back, and it's going to get used more times than not for being a little thing to put my little pieces and bits and bobs, you know, keep them away from the cat. So, yeah, well, it's kind of, I mean, this is a nice little can and container, but yeah, it's got a little bit of, they didn't get real close on their gluing. So, and then this part is just glued onto the lid, but it's nice and firm. So yeah, for $4, you can't beat it with a stick. I wonder, no, my hands aren't strong enough. I thought maybe I could knock that out, but yeah, well, it's kind of cute. We'll see. Maybe I'll get some of the others, but it's different, huh? All right. So the next thing we have is a cross stitch, and this one was, it's called Fish and Lotus. It's 50 by 50, and it was $10.26. Let me get it out of its bag here. Whoops. Come here, you. It does come with a nice little picture. Isn't that pretty? There is a lot of white to that. Now that I look at that, you know, I don't think about colors. I don't think about back stitching. I just, you know, pick it out. But there is a lot of background whitish color. It'd be interesting to see what colors they use. It does come with a full page, not on both sides, full page thing on how to start, how to stop, what to do. So, yeah, that's very nice and big and easy to read if you've never done cross stitch. Let me turn this over. Nice big pattern. It has 310 black. That's amazing. No, 823. It has 820 though, which is a dark navy. And no 939, it has 930. And 3865. So we'll see what those colors look like. But nice big paper pattern. It does say 50 by 50, and this is the product number. Doesn't tell you how many squares per square. So this is one of the other ones, and this one seems to be newer because it's on a bigger piece of paper. Any other time I get one from these, this company, I don't know what it is because it's a no name. It would be everything crunched into one. So let me look at something. Just want to make sure it's an 11 count. Let's take a look at those colors. pull them all out of the middle here. It does have a full hank of, it says number 1. It does not even say what color that is. So number 1 is $2.25. So we have a hank of that, and it's kind of a pale peach. I don't know if that's coming across or not, but other beautiful colors. There's some number 37, so it has 37 colors. I forgot to tell you that part. So that's part of your white. Oh, there's another hank of number 17. I have to keep looking these up because I haven't opened the canvas yet. It's $8.19. So maybe that's going to be the backgrounds. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out here in a minute. Let me shake this down. It's all mooshed up together. Beautiful colors, though. There's your 3865, so that's going to be part of that background somewhere. Very pretty. And as you can see, there's only one strand here and one strand here, and a couple one-stranders here. That's the pink. But that means there's not very much of that color. Or else there is another, what do you call it? Like a hank, but I don't think so. It's just extra color, but very beautiful colors. Look at those blues. Oh, can you ever? Then, of course, we have oranges and reds and kind of a brick red here. Just beautiful. And there's your 310 black. I told you there wasn't much. It's one strand. So, very nice. Roll that up, put you inside. That way I know you all go together. That there. Okay, it did not come with a toolkit. Let me see if I can get it turned right side up. It does have 2 needles right there. Big, huge canvas. Holy cow. Well, at least those big colors are kind of spread out. You do have this big corner that you're going to have to, I'm going to bring you up higher, cross stitch. Very stiff canvas. Very nice key, though. It's nice and big and easy to see, and there's like rivers of color in this. So, very nice. And it does have the product number and how big it is down here. It's kind of huge. Hold on. Okay, Belle, get a life. Stop it. So, it is 50.5 centimeters that way. I'm getting there, hang on. And 50 centimeters that way. Actual picture is 44 centimeters or 17.25 by, well, did I get it there? 43.5 centimeters or 17.25. So, not too bad, but I like that it has great big, huge areas, you know. So, it'll be interesting to see what they use and what they don't use. Different. Real different. All right. Now the next one is a DIY. Hold that thought. Figure out where to open it from. Get it out of its crinkly bag. And flip it over. Whoops. Now, I'd never seen this picture before. But I thought it was really pretty. I like the red-headed crane that comes across the whole thing. And all these little flowers. So it'll be kind of amazing to see, you know, what shows up. I didn't write how big this was, but I'm sure it's on here somewhere. And this one was, oh, I did. It's 50 by $9.65. It was $9.75. So you got lots of purples and reds, greens, yeah, all kinds of different things. But I've never seen this pattern ever before. Another stiff fabric. Hang on, I'm trying to get to the paper pattern. It's here somewhere. Well, it's all inside upside down. And it's made kind of on the par with this last one. It has a big paper pattern, but it will have to be blown up. Hold on. My bad. My bad. My bad. Really? Okay. So it has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. I'll at least tell you that. But this pattern is teeny tiny, itty bitty. It would have to be blown up. It does have 30 colors. I'm trying to get it to lay semi-flat. And it does have colors running down the side. It has big symbols, but they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 out of 30 with a red tone or red. Really? Okie dokie. Yeah, I don't know who thinks this up, but come on, people, get it together. So I really can't tell if it's got some confetti in its parts and lots of backgroundish stuff. So there are some big areas. I guess that's all going to be white. It has 310 black, 550 purple, no 823, no 939, no 33. It has 3371, which looks like a purple, but it's supposed to be dark brown. We'll see. Let's see how that goes. And before I forget to tell you, there are 3 needles there, not 2. I don't know why they made it purple, because 3371 is my go-to brown, and it's right there. So maybe just difference in color in the computer or whatever generates it. Piece of fuzz. So you got the browns, you got some magentas. Looks like a gray brown right there. It's kind of hard to say. And another brown here. And it does have a lot of 310 black. This is your 550 purple. And a lot of this pale pink. Maybe that's what they're going to use for the, yeah, that's number 17 for that white part. It's more of a pink. Looks like wings. I don't know. It's kind of an odd and different picture, isn't it? The more I look at it, I'm trying to get light to shine on it, but it won't. Yeah. So, very different. We'll see. We'll see how that all comes out in the wash. Sometimes, you know, they hit a home run. Sometimes, it's a miss. A swing and a miss. Let me get everything out of my way here so I can undo this. At least this is an 11 count. So far, very nicely printed. See, in here, they've got it as a brown, so it must be just a discoloration in the, in the ink for the paper. It is not serged all the way around. Has lots of big areas. And then you get a little bit of confetti, like, splashed here and there. Over in here. Maybe up in her face. Just different. Let's see here. Now, the paper pattern will match the canvas on both of these. It is 65 centimeters that way, and 49 centimeters that way, give or take. Actual picture size is 15.5 inches, or can't read it, 39 centimeters by 55 centimeters, or 21 3/4 ish. So yeah, I mean, it's very well printed, but it's kind of long and skinny. And not much definition, I'm sorry. So we'll see. We will see. I was more concerned about the crane. I hope he turns out. Because it's definitely big enough. You know, it's just whether or not they defined everything really well. All right. That is all that I got from DIY Digital Art. They do have diamond painting and cross stitch. And they do have paint by number. They also have custom. They have tools and crafts for all three of those. They have beaded cross stitch and embroidery. And they do have that special section called Other. And they have home and garden stuff like lawn ornaments and stuff to put in your garden, you know, little statues and all kinds of stuff. So do check their store out. I don't know. I'm pretty sure they have free shipping over a certain amount. I believe it's $50. If any of that changes or they have any kind of specials at all, I will put that in the description below. And also, if I have a discount code, I will put that down there as well. So do check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.